Oh, hey guys. I'm just sitting here in my crustaceous period. My hair is super dry and tangled, so I figured it was a great chance to show you my new moisture bomb routine. This is just one way that I've been refreshing and re-moisturizing my hair, whether I'm just resetting my style during the week or doing a pre-poo before washing. And to be honest, sometimes it's both because my pre-poo will end up turning into my hairstyle if I run out of time or get lazy. Thank goodness for multi-use, safe, and natural products. But first, a quick word from today's sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is the online learning community with thousands of inspiring classes for creative and curious people. Classes are taken at your own pace, in your own time, and there are new classes being added constantly. Explore new creative interests or develop and enhance existing skills. It's an amazing way to enhance your professional skill set or just learn and develop new creative hobbies. I usually focus on self-improvement and business, but lately I've been all about self-care and fun. I've been all about the fine arts classes, getting lost in curating skills that just make my personal life and my personal space happier and brighter. Taking the courses Digital Watercolors on your iPad using Procreate by Liz Kohler-Brown, and Start Drawing, 3 fun, freeing exercises to spark creativity by Carly Kunn. I've been playing around with line art and line quality, meshing it with fine arts and watercolors along with a digital application to just see what I come up with. I've been loving experimenting and exploring the side of my creative mind. It reminds me of when I was back in art school. It's a form of self-care that I've been really tapping into lately to help me stay relaxed and to help me express myself. And I love some of the compositions I came up with. I'm actually thinking about framing these and putting these in our new space. So you can use the Skillshare courses in so many different ways. Copy the coursework exactly or use it as inspiration to venture off and explore your own styles. And don't forget, Skillshare also has organizational and professional courses that don't have to do with creativity. Skillshare is currently giving out a free trial of their premium membership to the first 1,000 people to sign up using my link in my description box. And after that, it's just $10 a month for unlimited creative and professional skill developing courses. Skillshare is currently featuring specific courses from Black creatives, so definitely take advantage of their curated lists and sign up today. Thank you so much to Skillshare for sponsoring today's video. So today I'll be reaching for a good hydrating conditioner and using, of course, my Melanin Haircare multi-use softening leave-in conditioner. It instantly hydrates, softens, and detangles with tons of vitamins and minerals. And grab your favorite oil or oil blend to help lock in the moisture. My oil blend of choice, the Melanin Haircare multi-use pure oil blend with sage, geranium, jojoba oil, argan oil, sweet almond oil, baobab, vitamin E. It softens and it's non-greasy. Of course, the fountain and main source of our moisture dreams, water. I just have distilled water in this spray bottle, but you can add anything to it that you'd like. And then, my little secret that I've been using behind the scenes, a face steamer. So this is just a basic face steamer that I found on Amazon. I purchased it specifically for my hair, but yes, I sometimes also steam my face too. I love this thing. It's nice and compact, so it fits everywhere. I like that the long swiveling neck gives me options of where I can put it while I'm switching sides of my head. It's easy to clean, and the steam is the perfect temperature and pressure to gently hydrate my hair without burning my head or taking forever. There's so many different types of face steamers you can use, but I'll be sure to link this specific one I'm using in the description box. I'm using distilled water because tap water contains minerals that can clog and deteriorate the machine. So grab some distilled water, or if you have a shower filter, you can grab it from there as well. Also, I noticed distilled water just makes my hair feel so much softer overall, which is why I also put it in my spray bottle. Oh my goodness. Okay, so are we ready to get to it? Plugging in my steamer, and while that's warming up, I'm gonna separate my hair into clean sections. Why bother? Well, the cleaner my sections, the less breakage I'm gonna have while washing and detangling in the shower. So I first spray my hair with the water to soften it, working the water in, adding my moisturizing conditioner all over my hair to help soften, hydrate, and loosen my tangles, and just working that in. And now my hair is pliable enough to separate and section out. So while sectioning my hair down the middle, my steamer came alive. Woohoo! Just in time. So I'm gonna use the steam to help loosen the tangles even quicker. Yes! So here's where that neck nozzle comes in handy. I'm able to pinpoint the steam right where I want it to help dissect my section so much quicker and more gently. My hair was so old and dry, the steam just helps bring it back to life again. All right, so now we've got our first section separated. I just take my time finger detangling the section in front of the steam, sitting there and letting the steam go throughout the section. And the steam helps to open the hair's cuticle layer, helping to infuse moisture from the water into your hair much deeper, as well as helping the products you use on your hair penetrate deeper inside the hair's cuticle to help them work even better. So if you're using all natural products with tons of beneficial ingredients like what I'm using, investing in a steamer is going to help you get the absolute most out of your ingredients, helping to make your hair the healthiest and strongest it can be. This technique is also amazing using deep conditioners as well. They tend to be the most nutrient-rich and beneficial products within most hair care lines. So are you guys seeing how plump my hair is now? Look at how the steam just opened up and helped hydrate my curls. The product is completely absorbed within the cuticle. The hair is shiny, soft, and bouncy, and moisturized and happy. So I already added my oil blend to the section to lock the moisture in, and I'm just detangling a bit more. And you can use a brush if you want. I try to only use a brush during my wash days if needed, and finger detangle any other time to try and reduce breakage. So really focusing the moisture on my ends. And finally, I like to twist the hair while still in the steam because it helps keep the hair smooth, detangled, and sleek throughout. I love my steamer. It's helped me reduce so much breakage, and it's become such an integral part of my moisture bomb routine. And I love knowing that I'm truly making the most of my luxurious and rich hair products. Take a look at that. Super juicy, right? Okay, so just repeat the process. I basically make 3 sections on each side and keep them medium-sized, which is easiest for me to work with on my hair texture. Of course, do whatever feels best for you. So just finger detangling with the steam, adding my multi-use softening leave-in conditioner from Melanin Haircare, and massaging that in. And if you've used this conditioner before, you know that the more you work it in, the better and more sleek your hair is gonna feel. So with the addition of the steam, it's literally heaven. Massaging in the Melanin Haircare multi-use pure oil blend that helps to soften, sleeken, detangle, and will help to seal in the moisture. And throughout this process, I'm really making sure my ends are getting steamed. They're the oldest part of your hair, so give them the extra love that they deserve. Kind of like the grandma of your hair strands. Treat them gently and with love. So once you feel good and moisturized and detangled, just twist up the section within the steam. This is literally such a relaxing and calming process for me. I've made it a part of my self-care routine that I really enjoy doing, not only for my hair, but my lungs, my mental health, and my skin. I always make sure to wash my skin before steaming my hair, knowing that my face is gonna also be getting the steam treatment throughout. So it's really a 2-in-1 treatment that we're doing here. If you can also put a face mask or face treatment on while you do this, you're gonna be winning big. I didn't put a face mask on for this video for filming purposes, but my skin has been cleaned and treated with a nice heavy moisturizer. And of course I filled in my eyebrows just so I didn't look sick. So here are my juicy, moisturized, plump, treated twists. Like, the moisture and health is unreal. If you want to get the most out of the money you spend on your products, invest in a good face steamer that you can use on both your hair and face. So I'm just going to finish up my last section, but I just wanted to quickly go back to the benefits of the steam because I mentioned hair, your skin and face, and also your lungs. Taking the time to relax and breathe in the warm steam is great to open up your sinuses to help you breathe deeper and more easily. And it helps to clear up congestion within your lungs and helps you reduce stress. So yeah, this treatment is basically a total body self-care moment, and trust me, it is so worth it. You not only look great, but you feel great when you're done. Light some candles, put on a YouTube video, and do your thing. All right, so that's it. My hair is super moisturized and plump. My grays are looking soft and hydrated. My hair is shiny. It's curling at the tips. It's juicing up at the roots. And here's my shed hair. Not bad, huh? Here's how much water was left behind in the machine, so it's very efficient. So again, I'll link everything used today in my description box. And yeah, I guess that's everything. Please give this a try if you can for your hair at home. If your hair is chronically dry, or you feel like your hair is always breaking, or your products don't absorb as much as you want them to, this is the plug, I promise you. And let me know what you think when you give it a try. Share a comment below or send me your results on Instagram at Napsho85. And as always, guys, I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.